Hello, this is Mark Miklos, and I live right here in East Brunswick, New Jersey. I'm a singer-songwriter of traditional country and bluegrass music. Feel It From Your Soul is a song that I wrote about a gentleman who lived not too far from here. His name was Zeke Nagy, and he was my mentor. And he told me once, God, family, and music. If you can keep it in that order, you'll be okay. And so with that words of wisdom, I took that to my heart and wrote the song Feel It From Your Soul.
Well, it started with an old man, yeah, I knew from long ago. He said, God and family and music, son, don't you ever let it go. Yeah, keep these three together. Now, son, this is your goal. Well, I got it in my heart now, surrounded by my soul. He said, son, I've got to warn you that you're on a rocky road. Sing it from your heart, boy, and play it from your soul. He said there's gonna be some people with a negative attitude. Yeah, downright mean and nasty. Yeah, some of them real rude. Yeah, I know you got some boots to fill. Now, son, just make me proud. Yeah, take your music to center circle and you sing it real loud. He says, son, I've got to warn you that you're on a rocky road. Sing it from your heart, boy, and play it from your soul. I don't like to look back on the years of yesterday. Yeah, I keep on climbing forward, and I'm here to stay. Yeah, now you can't put me down. I won't be shoved around. I'd keep on making music loud if I have to go underground. Yeah, and he said, son, I've got to warn you that you're on a rocky road. Sing it from your heart, boy, and play it from your soul. And he said, sing it from your heart, boy, and play it from your soul.